Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate. Today we're going to talk more about these mounted cards that I purchased, and then today's subject will be these Phalaenopsis orchids that I've regrown from last year. Let's get started. I've bought this mounted cards from China. The size is 33 by 33 centimeters, which is about the same size as the paper that I always painted. It is a pack of 10. So let's check it out. So this is meant to be off-white mounted card, and which is mounted on a regular art card at the back. I think that there are 3 different colors of this fake matting of this type of mounted card, and I purchased these 2 because I think that these colors may look okay, and they're fine. This is a bit beige and a bit of pinkish, and this is more yellow as you see the comparison. And they all work fine. So depending on the subject that you're going to paint, I think that I'm going to go for this one today. For the orchid, the color of this grand apple Phalaenopsis orchid is really refreshing. Naturally, the long stem and flowers bloom towards the sun. It doesn't grow upward and form an arch without any support. As you can see, I just let it grow naturally, and the stem just grows horizontally. To catch the light green color with a bit of yellow tone, take a bit of yellow color first and then mixed with the indigo blue. Traditional Chinese color is very subtle. We don't like fluorescent color or something that's very bright. Getting the darker tone is safer, so we would prefer more green than yellow. The key to paint flower is to pay attention to their structure. Most of the flowers have odd number of petals. Phalaenopsis orchids have 2 big petals on the front, which looks like a butterfly wings. And then there is one at the back in the center and 2 smaller on the side. They are called the sepals. For the flower buds, I've added a bit of red at the tip before I paint. Because the flower is very light in color, so I want the leaves to be a bit dark, and I'm using a bit of ink when I mix the green color. Now I'm taking some yellow color and mixed with the red to paint the lip area. Going back to this rice paper mounted card, the reason why I chose this for demonstration is because if you're painting on rice paper, you will notice that they are very flimsy. You will have to get it mounted first before framing. Mounting could be expensive depending on who you go to and what type of materials that you want it to be mounted on. Usually the backing is also rice paper, but it's not going to be the same rice paper that you paint on because the painting papers are always more expensive. In addition to the backing, you will need some matting as well. And if you are mounted it in a roll form, like the very traditional long rolls, you will need some fabric or silk as the matting. If you want to go for a more modern and contemporary way of doing it, the best way is to have it mounted on a backing and then just take it to a framer to get it done. So using this type of card will save you a lot of time and money. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.